In this video, I'm going to show you how I generated this image using Leonardo AI. Okay, so here we have the Leonardo interface. It's quite user-friendly compared to Midjourney, so I would recommend this. So up here is all the different types of models that they have. So models are like the style that you want. So if you like a certain style, you use this particular model. But what I normally do is look at the community feed and see what people have produced and copy their style. So oh, what up, Jesus? And so look at all these things, and oh, that's a nice one. I like this. So what you do is you select it. This looks nice. You like the way it looks. Then you click remix. And then when you remix, you get all the prompts that was used to make that image, and then you modify from there. So now here you're in the AI generation window. So up here is where all the prompts are, and then you just modify the existing prompts to what you want. So here is where you can see all where they describe all the descriptions, what they want. Woman with platinum hair, la-di-da. So flowers, we don't want flowers. We want to say she's wearing Jongsam. And beautiful with a crown, we don't need a crown. And what else do we have here? Let's just say put freckled face, freckled skin. This gives it more of a realistic impression when it's generated. And let's say we're in a restaurant and we don't want a choker, so get rid of that. Painting, we don't want it to look like a painting. Don't know what all this stuff is. Oh, by lighting, we can keep the lighting. And this concept art, portrait, blah blah blah, get rid of all of that. Let's see, we keep it as simple as possible. 30 years, we don't want that. And so woman, so let's say we go with the fashion model. And then I like blondies, so let's go with blondies. So yep, we get that, fix that up. Restaurant, fix up the prompt, dressed in, fix the grammar, and we should be ready to generate. But before that, you have prompt magic. So you got prompt magic on. Prompt magic is pretty much takes your prompt and lets the AI decide to magic it up, make it more prompty. I don't know what it does, but it exaggerates it more, but it costs more money. So you turn it on, you notice it says 4 tokens, you turn it off, 2 tokens. So all these generations cost money, so be careful how you generate. And we should be ready to make a generation. So just click generate and wait to see what we get. Chinese. Well, I guess it assumes if you're in a Cheongsam, you're Chinese. But anyway, I have yellow fever, it doesn't matter. Let's just see what prompt magic gets us. Okay, much nicer. Girl number 2 looks nice. Okay, so from here, what we can do is we click on the image and click zoom out because we want to see more of the girl, because I don't see any boobies, so we want to see my boobies. And once that completes, we can toggle between the original image and the unzoom image, and there you go, boobies. Not enough boobies, but let's just download this image and we will take it into Photoshop and we make some changes there to help the AI out. We'll show you how to help the AI out. So close this, and just out of curiosity, let's see what this one produces. Maybe she got more boobies. Let's unzoom, and once that completes, let's see, unzoom, and nothing special. So yeah, just move on to Photoshop then, and we'll modify the other picture. And now in Photoshop, we can make the modification. So we have to go first is to liquify, so we can see some of the more boobies, like enhance the boobs and show more cleavage. And there we go. So as you can see, you don't have to be neat or tidy. It's just to pretty much just help the AI generator figure out what you want. So we can guide it by now adding more just burn in some shadows to look like, okay, here's where I want the cleavage to be, and this is how big I want the boobies to be. So you got before, after. There you go. So just maybe up here, highlight a bit more. You know, it really doesn't have to be tidy. So the AI will know what to do. And once you're happy with that, just save it out and read it back into Leonardo. Now back in Leonardo, we scroll down here to upload the image. So you upload the image, locate it, and add it in. And oh no, supposed to be in image to image. This is where we want it because it will follow the pose and pretty much recreate that exact image. So there we are. So here we are. We uploaded the image. And we can just regenerate again. So what we have here is the image, and down here is the strength on how much you want it to follow the image. And then here we just modify the prompt a bit just to help out the AI. Nice. Yep. Yum yum yum. And just before we generate, we go here to control net and switch it to depth to image and bring it down to 0.9. Then click generate. So basically these numbers are just I'm normally playing between 0.91 and 0.7 to see which comes out better. So oh look, there you go, see, that's nice. Boobies, cleavage, awesome. So yeah, see, that's pretty much how you get a nice image. Look at that, pretty much done. Then we can upscale the image. So this makes it like a higher res picture, much bigger size picture, and creative upscale kind of changes the look too much, but we normally just see, oh, it actually looks nice. So let's try again. So you switch it to original and try alternate upscale. I normally try this too, just to see which one looks better. So these are the two that I usually use. So let's just wait and see what the alternate looks like. The alternate looks alright. I think the creative one looks better. Not sure, but that's the original. And yeah, actually the original looks the best. We'll probably just stick with the original. Oh well, just wasted some tokens, but oh well, this is a good thing to try to see. You know, you just want to see your options. So there you have it. That's how you create a pretty girl image using Leonardo. If you like this, you could leave a like and comment and tell me if there's more that you want me to do. If you don't have Leonardo, there's a link in the description for you to use, and if you use the link, I get tokens, so please use the link. I want to make more images. And that's it. Thanks. Bye.